Good evening, welcome to Health and Social Care. This evening I'm going to be talking about the Health and Social Care course, Level 3 course we run at Caulfield School. My name's Debbie Gale and I'm the subject leader for Health and Social Care, and I've been running the Health and Social Care both GCSE and A-level course within Caulfield for the last 16 years. To begin with, Cambridge Technical Level 3 is equivalent to an A-level. We currently offer the single award, but we may, if we have the uptake, be offering the double award. The single award will be taken together with two other subjects. The subjects that Health and Social Care fit particularly well with are both psychology and sociology, biology and PE, and English language. I'm going to explain now about the two-year course, and I will be available on the live chat after this presentation or by email to answer any further questions or queries. So what do? In year one, we do 3 units of study. 2 of these units of study are an external exam units, while 1 unit of study is a coursework module. So the 2 exam units we sit are diversity and equality and health, safety and security. Diversity and equality looks at the world we live in and about how to encompass diversity, equality within that. We look at how professionals value diversity and how settings promote diversity and equality. And this is examined with a 1 hour, 30-minute exam at the end of a 12-week input lesson programme. The second exam, health, safety and security, again, we look at different types of settings and we look at the health and safety and security within those settings. We look at any downfalls that certain establishments have, and we look at the good practice within some health and social care settings. We also look at in childcare environments and identify those, and we look at harm and abuse and pieces of legislation within the health, safety and security. The coursework module is about effective communication, where we look at building positive relationships in health and social care. We look at different types of relationships and we look at relationship contexts. We look at formal and informal contact relationships and how important they are to establishing personal, rewarding relationships. And we also look at different types of communication, such as written and non-verbal. That is the end of year 1, so it's quite a lot of work to achieve, but you can actually claim an award after completing these units. Year 2, again, it consists of 3 units of study, and here we have the opposite, where we have 2 coursework modules and 1 written exam. The written exam is autonomy and physiology for health and social care, which fits in very well, obviously, with biology. Within this unit of study, we actually learn about the structure and the function of some of the tissues, organs and body systems that enable healthily bodily process to take place in a coordinated way. So we learn about the cardiovascular, the respiratory and the digestive system, together with the roles played by organs such as the pancreas, liver and kidneys. Together, along with this, we learn about certain conditions as a result of body parts malfunctioning, and we'll be discovering how some are present from birth and others can develop over time. And we also learn as you get older, we get more vulnerable and more susceptible to different types of illnesses and disease. The next unit, nutrition for health and well-being. This is where we look at the different nutritional guidelines and what nutritional guidelines are for different individuals. Within this unit, you'll produce an assessment of an individual's diet plan, and then you're going to analyse this and then produce a better, or more improved nutrition plan for this person. And finally, the last unit, we look at supporting individuals with learning disabilities. Now, this unit can be changed to suit students' experiences and students' needs. But at the moment, we have been doing this the last couple of years because students tend to actually enjoy doing this unit. This unit looks at a range of different children's disabilities, learning disabilities, such as autism, a child who may have Down syndrome. And we learn about the types and causes of learning disabilities, and they were looking about the differences between learning disabilities and specific learning difficulties. Potential difficulties for people with the learning disabilities and ways of overcoming the difficulties will be explored. And then we'll look at the services that are offered to these individuals, as well as the practitioners, together with the methods of care. And finally, we'll look at legislation related to learning disabilities and to see how these vulnerable individuals in society are protected. So, key skills and assessment, obviously 3 units in year 1, together with 3 units in 2, making a total of 6 units overall. Lots of perspective driven, lots of commitment required as a key skill, and lots of time because you do need to keep up with the coursework guidelines and coursework deadlines. So what do I need if I'd like to study health and social care at Caulfield School? I'd say that you need a grade 5 in English purely because the amount of coursework that's involved within the subject area, and a grade 4 in science at GCSE because of the anatomy and physiology it's included within the course. You don't necessarily have to have studied health and social care at GCSE. It does help if you have, but you're not disadvantaged in any way at all. So, where is this course going to lead me? Future pathways. There are numerous opportunities with the NHS. NHS have thousands of jobs opportunities, ranging from nursing to physiotherapy to midwifery to school teaching, lots and lots of opportunities. Past students have gone into primary school teaching, nursing, social work, paramedics, police within the police force, and working with children in childcare. Lots of opportunities, not necessarily having to go to university, but it stands you in good stead if you want an apprenticeship within the childcare sector as well. Thank you for listening. I'm sure there's lots of questions and there's areas that I haven't covered, so please use the chat function to talk to me or send me an email. My email address is on the screen below. I said at the beginning there may be an opportunity to opt for the double award in health and social care, and if this is available, it would actually take up 2 of your option blocks. So if you were interested to do the double award, then you'd have to choose one other subject to go with that. For example, you'd have to do double health and social care in sociology or double health and social care in English. Please let me know if you're interested in this route, and we can put your names forward to Mr. Maxwell so he knows numbers that would be interested to study the double award. And at the end, the double award will be equivalent to 2 A levels. Thank you for listening, and please do get in contact if you want any further assistance or to answer questions. Thank you.